Whether you are a hotel school-trained chef or a bachelor of the microwave dinner variety, the kitchen is where you satisfy two of your most insistent biological needs. Cooking elevates the need for sustenance into something more, something intensely pleasurable and uniquely human. Did you know that the difference between modular kitchens and locally made ones is comparable to the difference between designer wear and clothing stitched by your neighborhood tailor? Did you know that Egger boards have revolutionized kitchen decor all over the world? Well, if you didn't know, that means you are like Casera, so join her as she makes a trip to Latscon Boards and Panels to see how she can transform a kitchen from command central to a romantic haven. Casera is looking for a kitchen for her client and is not quite sure what color to choose. She is clear in her mind that she wants a modular kitchen. Kate shows her a champagne-colored Egger board and she immediately falls in love with it because she was looking for earthy colors to give a rustic feel to her kitchen.
So now you need to tell me what's the next step.
Do you have the measurement with you?
I know the measurements of the
good.
space.
You have the measurements.
Yes.
We are going to see Mr. Rajan. He's going to do the design for you and the quotation of how many pieces you're going to use.
Casera is then directed to the kitchen designer Rajan, who can design the modular kitchen she wants based on the descriptions she gives him. Rajan listens intently and reconfirms every item Casera is looking for.
How can you guarantee me that your product is the best one in the market?
I can show you the samples.
Yes.
So you see here, the pressing is proper pressed here. The particles which are used inside are for wooden. This does not chip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
To quell Casera's curiosity, Rajan takes her on a tour of the factory floor where she witnesses how the machines can cut 3 Egger boards at a go and any manner of sizes using special blades. The style and elegance is achieved with the parameters of convenience and ease. After cutting, the Egger boards and panels are moved to the fully computerized world-class edging machines. Pre-milling is also done to make the boards waterproof. The materials used as well as the hardware all come from the world-renowned Egger brand. The joinery and hinges are done to perfection. Soft close hinges do not allow the doors to be banged, giving them a longer life. Egger boards have an edge over MDF boards. When using screws, they do not crack or fall apart as in the case of MDF boards. Boring machines are used to make holes for the hinge in the shortest time possible, and Rajan promises to deliver Casera's kitchen in 2 days. Casera is back after 2 days to find her kitchen waiting for her, and she is totally blown away. The champagne and earth colors she fell in love with bear it all. The scratch-proof top is ably demonstrated by Kate. This kitchen is not just stylish, but also makes cutting, cooking, grinding, and frying easy. It is easy to maintain and allows the cook to express their culinary skills and is any gourmet's paradise.
Yeah, it's
Oh, this is lovely.
yeah, nice. So you're happy?
I'm very
Wow.
happy. I like that you went with a lighter color for the worktop.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you use? What
Okay,
finish was
this one is called post-foam workshops. It's scratch-proof. It's moisture resistant, as in water doesn't get inside. So if we can try one to.
Yeah, because you're saying it's scratch proof.
Yeah. Let me show you.
So I can chop my vegetables.
Let me show you. Let me show you. You see? There's no scratch. Have a look. No scratch, eh?
I like it. I like it.
Latscon boards and panels also stock a wide range of laminate floors suitable for high traffic areas and stylish wardrobes, making them your one-stop shop for all your boards, panels and flooring needs.